everybody, it's Ariel, and tonight I'm going to show you some really easy 2-ingredient recipes that just take 5 minutes of preparation time. That's right, 2 ingredients, 5 minutes of preparation time, and your dinner's pretty much done. So I'm talking about using a slow cooker to its full advantage. And tonight I happen to be making spare ribs in my slow cooker, and all I did was add a can of soup and a little bit of ketchup, but really all you really need is a can of soup. And tonight I added tomato soup and some water, so that's the ingredients, is tomato soup. Obviously I added water because that's what the can said to do. If it wasn't condensed, you know, it would be different. So those are my 2 ingredients, a hunk of meat and a can of soup. The other thing you can do that turns out great every time I make it, if you want really tender food, is something I like to call salsa chicken. And literally all you do is add a chicken breast that's thawed at refrigerator temperature to the slow cooker in the morning, and dump an entire can of salsa in there, and then take another can of water just from the tap and dump that in there along with it. So those 2 ingredients are just salsa and chicken. Like I said, with the tomato soup you had to add a little water, but basically water is not, you know, an essential ingredient there. It depends on how thick you like your sauce. So anyway, so that makes a delicious meal, and then what we do is we just take the chicken out and we save the rest of the salsa, and then we keep saving that same jar, and we can use it over and over and over again. So if you're ever stuck for a meal the night before, all I do, you can see it's steaming here, it's all ready to go, is the night before I take out some defrosted meat, and I take out the can or the jar of whatever I'm going to do. I put it in a slow cooker, put the lid on it. I've got my little lid there. And then I put that in the refrigerator. And then in the morning, all I do is take it out of the refrigerator, plop it in its cooker, turn it on low, and then I go to class or work or wherever I'm going. And you want to leave it on low for 8 hours. And those are just some ideas, but really any can of soup or anything else that's not got anything that'll make it mushy. Like, you don't want to use chicken noodle soup because the noodles will get mushy if you leave it in there for 8 hours. But so things like tomato soup, black bean soup, salsa, those are just some of the ideas. You can use chicken broth, anything like that, and you'll have a delicious, really easy meal. So like I said, 2 ingredients, 5 minutes of prep time, and you have a dinner. If you like, subscribe. Bye!